English player has scored more Premier League goals than Morgan Gibbs-White with 12 this season, and you saw him get a hat-trick within 15 minutes in the recent game for Nottingham Forest. I'd have him at Arsenal. Whether we're going to go for him or not is another thing, and that's not really the story. I know you can't pick every player for England based on reputation. Also, I know you can't pick the whole squad based on form. And for whatever reason, I don't think he's going to go, but why is there no clamour for Mr. Morgan Gibbs-White to get called up? Like, surely, he's performing a lot better than numerous household names.